Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County, western New Haven County, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Newtown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bridgeport, New Haven, Waterbury, Danbury, Milford, Shelton, Naugatuck, Southbury, Wolcott, Newtown, Fairfield, Hamden, Stratford, Trumbull, and Cheshire. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for Central Fairfield, Northwestern New Haven, Northern Westchester, and Eastern Putnam counties will expire at 9:15 p.m. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. However, gusty winds are still possible with this thunderstorm. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight for southern Connecticut and southeastern New York.